The time is now. We have been waiting on this day for a long time. So you tell me, on a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, how excited are you for Monday to come? Lori Vallow Daybell's trial officially started last week with jury selection, but opening statements are Monday morning. So let's just go over real quick what happened last week. Ada County started with approximately, the number I have heard is 1,800 jury questionnaires. And on Monday, April the 3rd, they brought 3 sets of people in, and they narrowed those 3 sets of people down to 17. The number we are trying to get to is 42. So at the end of the day, Monday, we had 17. At the end of the day, Tuesday, we had 13 more, which gave us a total of 30. The end of the day, Wednesday, we had 9 more. So we have 39, leaving 3 more needed. So Thursday, they didn't go in that morning. They did like a half a day in the afternoon, and they picked 6 additional jurors, totaling 45 jurors. So on Friday, they came in, all 45, and the judge automatically dismissed 3 of them, and then the prosecution got to dismiss 12 for whatever reason they wanted, and the defense also got to dismiss 12 for whatever reason. It didn't matter. It was their choice. And that left 18 jurors, and that is the jury that will sit through Lori Vallow Daybell's trial. The way I understand it is all 18 jurors will sit through the entire trial, unless, something happens and they have to dismiss 1 or 2, but all sit through it until deliberations, and then they will draw numbers out of a hat, and those 12 that are drawn will actually go back to deliberate what will happen. As of right now, there are 10 men and 8 women sitting on this jury. I am super excited. I will definitely be listening word for word of this trial. How are you going to be listening? Are you going to listen to it directly, or are you going to get summaries of it? I'm not sure how I want to do it yet. I would love to go live every day and listen to it with you. I just don't know if that is even possible, but we'll figure it out. So we have Nate Eaton on Twitter, Justin Lum on Facebook. You have Hidden True Crime that's there. You have Lori Hellis that's there. Now I know Justin Lum got his ticket for Inside the Courtroom come Monday. I haven't heard from Nate Eaton. What do you think about the order that came down about Larry Woodcock? Now, I've heard some conflicting information on that, and I am going to try and get a video out on that, but Hidden True Crime says Larry's good, and Nate Eaton says Larry's not good, and he would have to wait till he testified before he could sit in the courtroom. So I don't know. I'm going to try to get something out on that. I know that John Pryor was there a few days of the jury selection, and that one of the jurors that did not get selected to sit on the jury spoke out and talked about how Lori wiped her eyes when the charges were being read, and it just made her mad, as like now she's reacting and giving emotion, whereas her emotion been for 3 years. So I don't know. I'm excited to see what happens. I don't think they're going to show us the evidence in picture format because Chad Daybell's trial is still upcoming. So hopefully one day all of that will be released after Chad Daybell's trial. We'll see. I don't know how all that works, but very anxious for Monday morning to come. I don't know if I want to read the tweets and then listen to the recordings, or kind of try to shut myself out and not hear anything about it until I listen to the recording. How are you guys going to do it? I don't know. I would love to know what you're going to do, how you're going to do it. and I'll be figuring out how I'm gonna do it. So I just wanted to jump on really quick, as this is the day we have all been waiting for. This trial is one of the main reasons I am sitting here with you right now. So thank you for being here with me, and I will see you soon. I will definitely be listening word to word. As of right now, there are 10 men and 10 no. The time is now.